County in north-central Texas, northwestern Dallas County.
Till 2:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 1:37 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Keller, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Colleyville, Roanoke, and Northlake around 1:50 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Trophy Club around 1:55 p.m. Central Daylight Time. South Lake around 2 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Double Oak and Bartonville around 2:05 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Flower Mound, Grapevine, Highland Village, and Copper Canyon around 2:10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Irving, Coppell, and Hickory Creek around 2:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Lake Dallas around 2:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Louisville and Lake Louisville around 2:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Westlake, Lakewood Village, Marshall Creek, and Oak Point. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Heavy rainfall may hide this tornado. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now.